Tax season is around the corner. While you gather your important tax documents, remember scammers are trying to get their hands on your information. If you are thinking about hiring someone to help you, keep in mind they will have access to your personally identifiable information. Better Business Bureau reminds you to do your research to help you find someone you can trust. Use these tips to help you find a reputable tax preparer. Ask for referrals. Start by asking friends and family for recommendations. Then look them up on bbb.org to see their rating, history of complaints, and customer reviews. Verify the preparer. The IRS issues Preparer Tax Identification Numbers, or PTIN. You can verify your tax preparer's status by emailing epp@irs.gov and including their name, address, and PTIN if available. Never let someone work on your taxes unless they have this number. Look for credentials. Anyone with a PTIN can prepare your tax forms for you, but some tax preparers have more training and qualifications than others. Enrolled agents, certified public accountants, and attorneys have unlimited rights to represent their clients to the IRS on all matters. You can learn more about tax preparer credentials by visiting the IRS website. Be careful with email and phone calls. Remember, scammers can make emails look as if they are from a legitimate business, government agency, or reputable organization. Never click on links or open attachments in unsolicited emails. You may unknowingly download malware onto your computer, giving the scammer access to your personal information. Also, the IRS never calls you directly. If you get a call about your taxes, verify that it is from an IRS contracted debt collector. Are they making promises? If a tax preparation service promises larger refunds than the competition, proceed with caution. Avoid companies that base fees on a percentage of your refund. Use your judgment. A tax preparer will have access to your sensitive personal information, including your bank account number, birth date, address, phone number, and social security number. If you're not sure or see a red flag, take a step back and see if the company is the best fit for you. There are several government programs that prepare taxes free of charge if you meet an income requirement. Visit the IRS's free file page for more information. Look into tax software and apps. If you don't find anyone you trust, you can file taxes yourself by using tax software or an app. Remember to look for a program that provides excellent data security and good customer service. Don't forget to look to see if they're accredited with BBB. For more information, visit bbb.org or give us a call at 800-828-5000.